Wow, what a manic week, guys. Welcome back. I've just driven an hour to the big house. I've been doing this all week, and bearing in mind it's Thursday today. I've had enough of it now, but oh well. Andy's on holiday this week, so I've got to come and do a little bit of catch up. I've got another two guys here that we've got helping me from someone that we sub for. He's let two of his guys come here to give us a hand, so we'll sort that out. Bearing in mind the client is moving in Saturday and it's Thursday today, I'll show you the house. I don't know how much film I'm going to be able to do today, but I've been doing so many little bits and bobs, LED drivers, connected in their pumps for their toilets, because they've got a sewage pump. It's got a pump pit up a hill, so they've got two pumps in a tank, like a cesspit. Sorting out all the heating, all the heatomizer controls, the room stats, random sockets, helping out the guys that are doing the smart home stuff, because they're here to commission the lighting. They're happy with everything we've done, but they've now got to commission everything and get it all switching how they want it to be. But yeah, first things first, I'm going to go in, get a coffee, and I'll do a little walk round and I'll show you what's going on and what we're going to do today.
Good nightmare, that thing. Now I've got to shorten all those and turn it round. Saturday. Definitely moving in Saturday. It was on. Get the kettle on. I'm in here today, I've got a fan to do. Somebody's in the cables there, I've just got to get that over to there. Get a box on that. This is all dead. That's a PIR. Switch these two. These are not on Lutron, these are on its own PIR. This is a little study room at the front. Sockets are on. Client supplied wall lights we're waiting for. These are quite nice, the guys have cut speakers in. Those little ones, got ceiling lights and down lights in here for some reason. It's like a projector room. Someone's had my steps. There's a projector. The screen drops from behind there. So yeah, little view out there. Pool, you can just see it. These are the Lutron switches that they've got on. They've just got to put the cover plate on and program it up. These are the heat miser room stats we're fitting. The ovens are on, microwave, coffee machine, wine cooler, so they can use all this. Granite worktop still 3 weeks off. Come in that crisp, if possible. So I've got that in there. Another socket. Definitely see that light getting smashed before they move in Saturday. Moving in Saturday. 100% they're moving in Saturday. Got immersion here. One doing the hot water pump and one doing the hot water valve on a time clock. And then you got two there which are going to be, we split the towel rails up, so they're going to go on time clocks for the heating elements in the towel rails and the en-suites. And you've got a nice Wi-Fi booster there. Boots. So the only snags we have got in this house is to straighten a couple of the sockets up, like those two. That one's just diving off a little bit, but it's nice. Here's a Lutron switch. I've got LEDs to do there today, which I'll show you. LEDs under here, which I've got to do. Room. Sweet. And then there's our, they look quite nice, they're hidden out of the way. So that's for the heated towel rail element, which I just showed you. LED mirrors with a built-in shaver point up there. This was going to have LED tape under here, they've now got rid of that. Same with this, that's now gone. Room, so many red rooms. TV, yeah, ensuite in there. If you remember, you probably remember me doing the fan in here. So it's now got the LED mirror up. Heated towel rail, family bathroom, ensuite, another bedroom. Very nice. Got LEDs to connect under here and here today. Got driver up there. view of the pool. This is like one of the smart home that's a thermostat for upstairs, Brad's. This is like the smart home thing where you can control everything from here. Oh, it's on. Yeah, nice. I spent many a day clipping cables. Lads have cleaned it all out. Now they've got the lighting on. Got a switch here. Andy did this, got two-way. Because you've got another hatch around there. So let's put some lights up. And that's it. So I could actually shut this up now.
Hello mate, sorry, I'm watching this.
Two. Strip. Go under there. Let's go under there. Apply the neutral. Go in there. And then this connects in there. Goes in there. And this plug goes on the tape. Plus a neg. Just plugs in there. LED tape is fitted. Put the little channel cover over it once you've done it. Driver sits under there. The tape just comes out of there. Just got to try and recess this cable in. God knows how I'm going to do that, but excuse my snivelling today because I've got bad hay fever. So I've got cables. This comes from the Lutron panel. That one loops over to that wardrobe, and this one loops to that one there. So I'll have to put a junction box on there. Take a cable out of there to my driver. Then I can connect my LED strip into there. So I've got to get this one on. This just comes with a little peel back. You peel off. And the guys have kindly put the channel in for me. So I just stick it in there. And then you put the little diffuser on there. Good, they do like a snagging list. And the only thing that I've got is connect LED tape. We wait for their drivers. And that ensuite, literally, Electricians connect mirror. They've now put it up so I can now connect the mirror in. So everything, we're waiting for them.
Right, it's tea time. I've got to apologise for the bitty little bits I'm doing today, but I want to get a video up for this week. I'm going to look at a van on Saturday. I don't know whether to put it into this video or not. I might just do a longer video and do the van as well in this video. So as far as guessing my age, there's some cheeky buggers out there that think I'm 54 years old. I'm actually 32 years old, so I must have had a hard paper round, I guess. Decided I'm definitely going to do a van video because people are quite interested in electrician vans, so I'll do the video on Saturday, but today this is just going to be about work today.
Here we go, LEDs all done for today. Mirror next. Nerve-wracking taking this mirror down on my own, so I've got a feed here in a connector, so literally just got to connect this line of neutral, and then it's got like a LED tape, the colour changer, and then the remote control, so hopefully I'll get that on today. There we go, done. Just got the paint to give me a hand, lift it up because it's pretty heavy. It's going to have LED at the top, LED at the bottom with the remote control colour changing. Goes on, so they got a little PIR under here. It says it was on. So you tap, on, hold, and it goes like warm white to cool white. So there's your cool white, and then hold, and there's your warm white. Tap. Should go off. Off. Listen to that. Nothing. It's lunchtime. I'm working through lunch because I need to get this finished because I'm not here tomorrow. I don't want to leave the guys screwed downstairs that are helping me out. So I got coffee. I'm just fixing these mirrors, getting these mirrors all working, and then
I've got to finish a bit of heating controls. Then I'm going to go home.
Still going strong. The tools are absolutely perfect. People were moaning like cheap Chinese. That's fine, but you've got to give the other tool manufacturers a chance. And I'm having no problems with these little cutters or screwdrivers. I've just added my little level into there and my little hammer. Apart from that, it's going well and still going strong. Just getting some actuator here. The wiring centre.
What a day. I am shattered. Andy, hurry up and come back to work because this job is waiting for you to finish it. So that's it, guys. Day's done. If you like the video, it's a bit boring today. I'll probably give it a thumbs down myself, to be fair. So I'll see you on Saturday. Take care. Bye-bye.